Hello, my name is Katie and I'll be showing you how to access Rosetta Stone using your mobile device. First, you're going to access the App Store on your device. It may look different depending on the device you are using. Next, we're going to search for Rosetta Stone within the App Store. Once you've entered Rosetta Stone, it's important to look for the yellow icon. There are two apps, one has a white icon and the other has a yellow icon. We want the first one. Once it has started downloading, do not open the app. Instead, open up your internet browser such as Safari, Chrome, or whatever app you have on your mobile device. Once your browser is open, type in ssjcpl.org in your navigation bar. This is the text box at the top of your mobile internet browser. Next, we're going to click on the yellow Rosetta Stone icon at the bottom of the page. Initially, you'll be asked to enter your library barcode number, which is located at the bottom of either your keychain or wallet-sized card. Once you've entered your card number, you will be taken to this screen. It is the same screen to sign up and log in. You'll enter your email as your username, pick a password, and then choose your language. It's important to remember that you'll see this screen regardless of whether you're signing up or logging in, so please don't get confused. Once you've signed up or logged in and chosen your language, you'll see a screen similar to this. You'll want to click the link that states Launch to open the app. A pop-up prompt may appear asking if you want to open the link in the Rosetta Stone app. You'll want to select Yes or Open. And voila! It will open your Rosetta Stone app, but it may take a minute or two to load, so please be patient. Ta-da! You're now using Rosetta Stone on your mobile device. You can always sign out and sign back in to select a different language. Have fun exploring!